you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. All right, we got another Leez custom build with TDS Show 2025, and we're gonna find out what they're running in this one. So we're gonna hand the mic up. We're gonna do it just like that. All right, and let us know what you got in it.
So basically, this car has 610s with McLaren sounds and tweeters, and it has 8 of these, 8 18s on both sides, right? And basically, this is just a simple build, 610s, but it hits hard.
Perfect. Perfect. You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.